welcome everyone to July 8th session for trading and analysis with Gift. Late stream, but let's get started. Let's see what happened. Gold's ripping. Gold's been nice all week, man. It's just been like steady riser. Nice little.
Look at the monthly and weekly, like it's definitely gonna make new highs.
Yeah, it will. It seems like it. Monthly just looks nice, man. Since like April.
Bodies.
Yeah.
Come on, JR, keep printing that money.
Even
Sorry, JR is Jerome Powell.
Yeah. JR Smith. Yeah, no, daily, weekly, monthly, all look pretty good. I have to like go back now and find like levels. My last level was 1788, and that was it, and 1800. But I guess 1796 is gonna be a level 4 hour. Yeah, 97, 9650. But yeah, it's hard to find like higher levels. You have to go back all the way to like 2012 and draw it out, which is pretty tough on gold. Might do that now, actually. Let me get this in. Yo, Rodney's was bomb, by the way.
Was it? Yeah.
That was good. The happy hour was sick too. It was my first drink in a month. That's probably why I was kind of rose this morning.
Yeah.
White wine and oysters. Yeah, it's a combo.
How much was an oyster? Since you said.
So it was $15 for a drink and 6 oysters.
Yeah.
So we did that twice each.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, it was pretty sick. It was a pretty good deal, yo. $15 for an oyster. 6 oysters and a drink.
Yeah, no, it is, because I'll just say that's basically a drink's like usually $5, so $10 for 6 oysters. Yeah, that's not bad, and they're fresh as hell.
Yeah, they're really fresh. $2 in oysters, basically came out to that.
Yeah.
House wine, white wine, pretty bomb too. I think today's gonna be more of a chilled out day. I feel like yesterday was a big move. I thought pound USD was gonna form a support around this level and continue higher, but it's not really continuing higher.
Yeah. I'm looking more for shorts now on
Euro
USD. Yeah.
Yeah, I could see where that would happen.
But I mean, I'm probably going for honestly like 5 pips or something, 5-6 pips for me. We'll see how it closes though. But yeah, the hour close. I mean, yeah, the hour's gonna close bearish, and like, yeah, I definitely think it's gonna test the lows again. So 9 pips. Yeah, I think you can get 9 for 9, depending on this close.
Depending how it closed, so Euro USD.
Yeah,
I do feel like, especially if it breaks this support, dude, I think it's clear path down.
Yeah, because it looks like it's exhibiting ranging tendencies.
Yeah.
2 top. Let's hopefully make it 2 bottoms, or even more.
It's not a bad idea, actually. I'm gonna be looking at this too. So yo, what do you want to do Saturday? It's a nice day.
Yeah, I mean, I was talking to Arthur yesterday, and he said, I mean, I don't really care for UFC, to be quite honest. I'm down to do both, but I'm just saying if you had to choose one, it'd be
Barbecue.
bonus and barbecue.
Should we do that then?
Yeah, because I think only Russo's the one that wants to watch it. Because I don't really follow UFC much.
Yeah. Well, I think there's only one good fight that I'd watch, but I'd be down for barbecue. It's be a nice day too.
Yeah, this weekend is gonna be nice. So I do that, and like I don't know. Do you rent like a fire pit?
I don't know how it works, to be honest.
Or do we just go there and find a place and then like, you know what? If we don't know what to search, rental. Book a picnic. Oh, so I guess you do book a picnic site. Let's just see. Booking a picnic site. Oh, you do have to book it.
For bonus, for real? Damn.
Oh yeah, booking a picnic site, picnic tables, fire pit, barbecue, shelter, electricity. Bonus Park Northwest. How many parks are there? There. Oh, Shoaldice?
Shoaldice, yeah, I know that.
Bonus Park. 30 hectares, okay.
Edworthy, you gotta book picnic site.
Yeah, I don't think we have to. But I'm on the website and Bonus Park map.
Yeah, Bonus Park, I think it's just drop in. Edworthy.
How about Shoaldice Park?
Shoaldice seems like it's dropped in. Oh no, Shoaldice, it says book a picnic park. Picnic site.
Oh wow, there's a batting cage. Where is Shoaldice?
Shoaldice is by like 16th Ave West. You know where the football fields are when you're driving on 16th Ave?
Yeah, I just
That's it.
Oh, okay. So where do you want to do it? Shoaldice or Bonus Park?
Hold on, I'm gonna look right now too. So it's supposed to be July 18th.
July 11th?
Oh, 11th.
I
can't even book 11th. What is this? Bonus, you can't book 11th.
Wait, you can book Bonus? I thought it's dropping for Bonus.
Bonus, yeah, I got to web booking for Bonus, but I can't even book on the 11th for Bonus.
Oh shit.
Might be full. And then Edworthy, yeah, I can't book on the 11th for that one. And now Shoaldice. Nothing on the 11th, I think. 11th might be booked or something, damn.
So you have to book for all of them, eh?
Let me look. No designated picnic sites areas are available to the public at no charge on a first come, first served basis, if not already reserved /booked. However, if you wish to ensure you have a site, it's your best interest to book a site. So the booking is only for like guarantees, and then first come first serve basis is just basically first come first serve basis. So if there's like availability, then it'll
So
work
how
out.
do we know which picnic tables are booked and which ones aren't?
Yeah, actually, let me go bonus.
Is there like a section that's for booked guests and then a section for like,
Oh
you
no,
know?
they would probably put up like reserved, or you just show them it's reserved, and then I'm sure there's like staff on site that would help you out. But it says mostly first come first served basis. It's pretty taxed to book it $70.
Oh, dude, that's more expensive than a fucking campground.
I know, man. It's 6 hour block, and it's only in 6 hour blocks. Yeah, nah. I think first come first served basis. We could do that or the mountains.
That's true.
Whatever really works better.
Mountains, we'll have to go early though.
Yeah, that's a thing, right? And it's no guarantee. Like, I don't know any spots around. I know like deeper in Kananaskis, maybe.
Like Canmore, I know there's a sick spot, like Quarry Park, because that's where Cecilia and I went. There's like a bunch of picnic tables and stuff, and it's like right by the lake and shit, Mountain View.
Was it like by fire pit too?
There's no fire pit. No fire pit.
Damn. Cause I do want river somewhere or lake. Where we basically just need a fire pit for the making a fire and the picnic table for barbecue, right?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of them, it's either they provide. I don't know, man. They provide.
It's that, or we could go to Cactus. Just keep it simple.
Go to Cactus.
Yeah.
We could go to the Cactus.
I would be down for barbecue. It's just that, oh, where to picnic in the mountains? Canoe Meadows, Moraine Lake, Sheep Falls, Two Jack Lake. I'm just worried if we go down there and it's like just busy as fuck, you know?
How about Ghost Lake?
Ghost Lake, yes.
Maybe we start a fire. Was there a fire pit?
Yeah, there was a fire pit. We did have a barbecue in like some random area.
On a rock.
Yeah. But I remember that one, we were like driving around and then we just like turned into this random area and it ended up being like a table and like a barbecue pit, and we got lucky with it while we went. Was Quarry Lake Park pretty busy or no?
It was decently busy.
Decently?
Yeah.
One thing I'm just worried about is if we go out there, it's gonna be really busy. It's a nice day. Saturday's supposed to be like, beautiful and stuff. So.
And then plus the thing is, if we go out there, it's like,
It's what?
what time would we go?
Yeah, that too. Damn, Calgary has a bug report forecast. That's hilarious.
Always on. Oh, it's on their website.
On Weather Network.
Oh yeah, Weather Network. Yeah. Bug. It's like 3 different types of bugs, right?
Yeah, mosquitoes, deer flies, black flies. But yeah, no, I was just checking how it's gonna be on Saturday, which is the
Well, let's just
nicest
hope
day.
Sunday's weather doesn't affect Saturday. It was like for horrible weather spreads. I swear to God.
It does, man. Nah, Saturday's supposed to be like 25, 27 degrees.
Yeah.
What's Cecilia want to do? She wants to barbecue somewhere?
He's down for whatever, man.
Whatever.
Yeah. He's down for whatever. I'm just thinking, like, is everyone down? Like, I don't know why anyone's down. They don't really have a.
Dude, I know. That's why it's so tough to even like
I
plan
mean, they're
anything.
just waiting for someone to set it up and then they'll just follow.
I know, but setting it up is like in itself kind of annoying.
Well, we figure out it's a barbecue, then we can just start like tasking people. It's just like, yeah, it's gonna be like a potluck. So, like, someone bring hot dogs, someone bring this and that type of shit.
Yeah. That'd be the easy part. But the barbecue, where to set it up, I think is gonna be the tough part.
Do you still have your portable barbecue?
Yeah, I do. I don't have the propane tank.
What propane tank do we need? Like a big one?
Yeah, the big one, not the tiny ones.
We can get that at Costco. I think they're cheap. That's empty? Fucking.
Because there's still like the option of driving around in the mountains and trying to find a spot. But if you don't find a spot, then it's just annoying because everyone just gets in a bad mood. I wouldn't. I like the drives. It's nice. You enjoy the beauty around.
Yeah.
But sometimes, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, let's just say barbecue doesn't work.
Yeah.
And UFC fight.
But where?
Bars.
Or should we all go to Rodney's to get some oysters?
Damn, you love that shit, don't you?
Oh, buddy, the oysters and the white wine mussels and the
Shark Club plays.
Shark Club's pretty sick. It's in the Northeast, right? Too.
Northeast. I think I like Northeast, Southeast. Yeah, probably everyone's down for the Northeast. UFC bars. Oh my, where's the ones in Calgary? Oh fuck. Wow, the Rec Room plays it? No way.
Rec Room plays it, eh?
Okay, so there's a list of all the Calgary establishments that play UFC. It's on like the bars.ufc.com, Alberta. Okay, so the ones in the Northwest, that's confirmed. What's this? Windsor Rose Pub. And then Tipsy Pig Kitchen and Bar. Oh, Tipsy Pig, I went there. If we're talking about Trolley 5 Restaurant and Brewery in the Southwest plays it, but that's like the one in downtown. And then Side Street Pub. That's confirmed.
Those are the places that actually play it.
Yeah, that's been confirmed. And then there's, yeah.
Yo, I would be down for barbecue, and I would be down to venture out into the mountains. As for the time, I'm thinking everyone would want to do dinner time, right?
Yeah, even for myself, so I can get some stuff in the morning and early afternoon.
What time would be preferable to leave to like even go?
I'd be probably down to like start like meeting up at like around 4:30ish.
Yeah, 4:30, and then we'll just about which spots to go to. I think like if we go, we gotta pick like either Kananaskis, Bright Creek, Ghost Lake. It's gonna be one or the other, and then we just keep like driving around until we find a spot.
So maybe we should go at like 4.
Yeah, but it has to be between Canmore, Kananaskis, Bright Creek, and Ghost Lake. I'm thinking.
Okay, should we just throw that in the chat and just be like, yeah, we were discussing and stuff where we go?
Yeah.
Around 4, everyone needs to like bring like we'll make a list and send. We'll make a Google spreadsheet and we'll just be like we'll just divvy up kind of like what people can help bring.
Yeah, I'd be down with that. I'll bring barbecue.
Yeah, just go to Costco and buy like the Costco chicken wings or some shit like that. Boom. And then someone could like buy like chicken like drumsticks, you know, marinate a bit, bring that, and then someone else bring this, like the water, pop, whatever, chips, you know. And that's kind of the thing that worries me.
What?
It's a collaboration. I don't know if we can pull through.
Dude, I know. That's why I'm kind of just like There's a
I just
part of
think
me.
that everyone's gonna be like, oh fuck, you guys set it up, you bring it. It's like
I know, man. That's the thing. That's why I stopped setting shit up because no one really sets shit up anymore, and it's like you got to do it all to even go out and do something now.
yeah, right about that.
I mean, the easiest option is to go to like barbecue is sick, but the coordination aspect or the collaboration, you're right though.
I mean, you can throw it out there and see. It's like, is anyone down for this? If not, then if you guys want to watch the fight, then I'm just on
Nah,
the
fuck the
daily.
fight. We'll just like if this doesn't happen, I'm down to just like grab a drink or two in downtown and chill.
Oh, so you want to go downtown then?
Well, either or. Like if I'm gonna send out a message. If I get no replies by like tomorrow, then I'm just gonna say fuck it. Let's go downtown and grab like a drink or something at like 5. Drink and like carpaccio or some shit, right? Just chill.
Okay. So cactus.
Yeah, cactus patio or something, dude. Because like the coordination aspect is just how it is. But I'll send out a text. I'll be like Saturday barbecue? Question mark. Either bonus or drive around in the mountains looking for a spot. Both options around 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Here, y'all. Let me send it to you to revise. Anything you want to add? I'll send it to push.
Which two are the closest? So it'd be either Kananaskis and Canmore, or
Break Creek's closest.
Ghost Lake's north, is it not?
Ghost Lake's on Crowchild, so that'd be different. So that'd be like going away. So Kananaskis, Cranmore, Break Creek is like it'd be
They're
Break.
all kind of close together.
Yeah. Kananaskis, Canmore is pretty decent. Break Creek's like up north on that road, or yeah, north.
So they're kind of close because Canmore, the quickest way to Canmore would be on first from 16th, right?
Yeah.
Or
So,
from Transcan, I should say. Ghost Lake would be.
Crowchild.
It take us a little while to find a barbecue place at Ghost Lake.
Yeah, we left pretty early. Well, we didn't sleep, so we left at like 7 a.m. or something.
That's true. Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
I mean, for me, it's just like, yeah, it's either. Yeah, let me just. Paste.
Done. And if I don't get proper answers by tomorrow, let's just go to Cactus.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Alright, sick. Nice reply. Nice. Good double.
There we go.
Nice. Copy, paste. Both sick. But yeah, yo, for real, if no proper answers by like tomorrow morning, then you want to go Cactus or no?
Yeah, I'm down.
We'll go early, just have like carpaccio and shit. Have a few drinks, chill out.
Ain't gonna get too wild though.
Oh no, definitely not.
No $500 nights.
No, maybe 2 carpaccio and like a drink. That's it. No
just
shots.
one drink.
Maybe 2, depending how long we go.
Next thing you know, it's just like shots.
Patrons.
Yeah.
Let's see. Dude, it hasn't really moved much. Euro popped up.
Yeah, I see. I saw Europop. I didn't like how that candlestick formed, but you know that could have gone both ways because there's a lot of orders to be filled. But yeah, I don't know. That's tough for Euro, so I choose not to do anything with that.
Yeah.
And gold just ripping like crazy.
Dude, I know. There's like no top on gold. That's it. This is all I have on gold. After this point, I have no analysis. This was it. 1800 was a level I called on my analysis, and then above that, I was like,
It's just gonna go up.
I had a long on this day at like 1775. But yeah, as you can see, patience holding that. But this little pullback was nice before I ripped it up. Fuck it. All I know is with these big rips on gold, there's gonna be a fat sell one day coming up. So I'll just have to wait for that trade. Man, I feel like pound USD is gonna rip.
Probably will.
It had this retest down here. Broke this resistance, had the retest. Kind of made a support. So right now, if I entered, my stop's below this hour candlestick. It's not bad, a 10 pip stop. Yo, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna do it.
Hour or 30 minutes?
Huh?
Hour or 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. It would be below.
30-minute candle.
Yeah. I'm gonna enter 125.50. Limit order right now.
Nice.
It's not hit yet, but it'll probably get hit.
So wait, stop would be the 30-minute, like the previous 30-minute candlestick, or
No, I think like I would get half out if I would get full out actually if it starts breaking bearish.
so if it flips, okay.
Yeah, so if it flips bearish, I'm gonna get full out. Because right now, remember how I said yesterday on this breakout, we're probably gonna get a retest on that level before continuing up. So like we actually got that retest, and now an entry here with the stop loss. What if it flips? The potential you get this high first, and then if it breaks out of this little resistance level, then you got like pretty clear room going up as it starts going bearish.
And for me, if Euro USD forms above, honestly, 1300 level,
Yeah,
I'm gonna wallet. Like, why not?
yeah, that's
If you look at weekly is bullish as a wick, upper wick to fill. I mean, daily hasn't really broken market structure.
Daily looks
previous
pretty
bearish candlestick.
No.
So yeah, 4 hour looks good too. Like fuck.
It does, yeah.
I'm gonna trade off probably the 1 hour. Yeah, maybe enter. Just wait.
I like it. I like how it broke the previous hours too. It just,
if it doesn't go down, it must go up.
But you're right though. It's just this area contention right now.
Yeah, and then hopefully next level is like 10 pips up.
Yeah,
20 pips up.
That's nice. All right, so we got two trades called out on stream. We'll see how they go. Dude, gold's at 1810 now. Wow.
Oh, I know, man. That was the thing to trade.
Yeah, that was a thing to trade. Even if you just like enter long based off candlesticks, I'll
Yeah.
show it in a second.
Buy stop at like above the previous high. Like fuck, man. What would be what? Like a buy stop at 1805, 1806 if you want to get a wick fill. Yeah. Fuck. Wild. It's getting real. Yeah. Wow, Euro, man. That's what I like to see. Damn, the US dollar must be weak.
Yeah, US dollar is selling off. See it on my chart over here. It's a little bit. But yeah, no, on gold, that buy stop 1805, 1806, just like quick and easy.
Quick and easy, 20 pips, you're out of there.
Yeah. Even based
it.
off 5-minute, 1805 buy stop, 20 pips like right here, and then you just like let the rest run. 60 pips already. About 60. Euro. Yeah, if this 30-minute finish is bullish, dude, I mean, like,
yeah,
that's pretty nice.
Yeah, I agree.
Well, we're both against the US dollar, so hopefully let's get some devaluation of the US dollar going.
Oh, buddy, yeah. And like, what? We're 30 minutes. I think it closed really nice because it was like basically the previous candlestick. So the 630 candlestick was like liquidity grab.
Yeah.
And it tested a nice zone and it just started shooting up. And yeah, honestly, you could see it inching up higher. And this is just the beginning of the freaking day.
Yeah, it is. Still a lot more to go.
Oh, damn.
Pound USD?
Pardon me?
Damn to like euro, both to
yeah,
both.
Euro's like it's at 1307 now. Woo! Woo!
What a trade, eh?
Let's find out the trade real quick right now.
Dude, that's the power of punching in my opinion. If you punched in 50% when it was like 112.98,
yeah,
then like, yeah, you said that yesterday too, man.
What?
For it, that you said like maybe. Oh no, that was for the limit. You probably put limit 5 pips. Yeah.
20 pips.
Did you plan it out?
Yeah, I planned it out.
Nice.
I'll share with the viewers and stuff in a bit.
Yeah, no
Oh,
rush.
there, here. I'll just copy and paste it. Annotate text.
Dude, the U.S. set another single day. Hold on, let me get a new tab. But set another single day record for coronavirus.
Of course. They're so good at controlling diseases. So good. 0.81 drop.
Maybe America in itself is a disease.
Oh, damn, bro. Damn, you can't hit them with the truth like that, man.
That was too deep. I'm sorry, Indian man.
That was painful.
That hurt cut deep.
What was that? Okay, good.
30-minute close, fucking nice on Euro.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm just chilling now.
Oh, it's just new.
Villain, buddy. Okay, hold up a second.
Whoops.
Oh. Pending. All right, perfect. Sorry, I just had to put in orders and stuff. So yeah, let me update this first. Actually, it's so disorganized. What did I get at? 113.7. Yeah, it doesn't really change much. Okay. So yeah, everyone, for our audience here. So yeah, I punched in just at the open here of the, fill in some arrows here. Open. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh wow, that's ugly. Sorry. Open
Holy
right.
shit.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a long trade.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna be at the next high. It is, yeah, if the limit doesn't. Part of me is like, should I have just punched in the whole position? But
no.
I thought there would be some.
Dude, I think the punch in was like when it broke here. Those levels. When it broke these wicks. That was the punch in my opinion. That's how I trade, but your trade working out nicely right now too. So
yeah, but if it doesn't hit the limit order, I'm half position in. Basically 80 cents here. We're at 10 pips, and yeah, my TP is at, for the half position TP. Sorry, let me put that back in for the viewers there. That is like the half position, and yeah, TP sorry is at 28. I mean, ideally, if it hit my half position, I'd be out by now, but you know, it is what it is, and we're just kind of waiting for the markets to do its thing. But one thing I like is we entered at US Open. We had failed breakout here. Actually, I don't like that. Failed breakout there, and then you saw a huge rise up. It obviously broke this support, I mean resistance level. And yeah, that's where kind of Simar was mentioning about punching in around this area. But I wanted to see it at least close above this area, which it did. The one thing is that there is no bottom wick for this 30-minute candlestick. Not saying it's not possible for that to form, because anything's possible in the markets. But yeah, the stop loss is there. I'm going for about 20-ish pips. No, let's see. I'm going for 21 pips for my for a 1-for-1, and I think we're early in the day. I think it's definitely possible. My TP will be around this area here at 21, which would be, sorry, I'm like going blind here. 28 would be around this area here. So right below the kind of resistance level. And I mean, this honestly could still pop, so I'm gonna try to leave a runner, but since I only got half position in, the runner is not gonna be that big, and we'll kind of plan out the next trade. Oh, there it goes.
Damn, it's ripping.
Yeah, that was nice breakout. Nice, honestly, nice fake out. Like,
yeah,
because if for our audience that was listening earlier, I wanted to short here.
the shorts would have been like below the breaks, right? So if it broke below all this, that's what we were talking about. But yeah, no, that was a fake out. Like crazy.
That was fake out, and like the thing is, I mean, a lot of people, and this is the one thing, and that's why I wait for candlesticks to close, is that yeah, it broke the previous low of the. Well, actually, can you zoom in some more?
Yeah, give me a sec. Let me adjust this. There you go.
Thank you. So yeah, I mean, one thing is you have this fake out here. This is definitely a liquidity grab. For a lot of people, if they saw this candle in action, it broke this bullish candlestick's low and this one. This would have definitely been a bearish, because at first my analysis was that you have the top channel here, you have the bottom channel here, right? And that looks like more of like a consolidation, if anything. One thing is I wanted to wait for this bearish candlestick to break and form below at least the previous bullish candlestick, or best case scenario is 2 of the previous bearish candlesticks. It just shows that the buyer's exhaustion, or it just confirmed more of the consolidation here between these 2 zones, but obviously it didn't. And yeah, and then you have the break up higher here, and that was definitely a liquidity grab for people. And I'm just gonna break even this trade since it was close to my TP. There's no point of taking any risk on this trade.
Might as well. You could TP early too, man.
I could. You know what?
I took profits on mine. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Even if you secure 50%.
Half the position.
Yeah.
Right now.
50%.
And then the other half, if it hits TP, great. If it doesn't, then whatever. It is what it is. Or actually no, it's whatever. Now actually think about it. You know what, guys? We'll do something cool.
Do something cool.
Okay. I am not going to have a TP anymore. So I closed 75% of the position. And then I've just broke even the trade. So this is free trade. And then, you know what? Essentially what I'm doing is this is my runner.
Yeah, no, that's a good runner to have.
Just let it run and just do its thing. I'm just going to chill.
I'm going to screenshot this. I'll go back to your trade in a sec. I'm just going to
No, dude, my trade's, it's all good, man. Let's go talk about your trade.
Oh, I'm done. I entered when this was going bullish. I had my stop loss below this candlestick here. I basically explained it earlier too. You had the break of the resistance from yesterday, and then I said you might get a retest, and it actually did retest surprisingly. Ended up going up around like 5-ish, but I didn't enter. I had the euro long. Went down, it tapped into this area again, rejected, and as the 7 o'clock candle was going bullish, I looked on my hour, I looked on everything, and from higher time frame down, it looked bullish. So I entered as the 7 o'clock candle was bullish. Had my stop below the wick at 35. Give it a few pips room to move. So if it did turn bearish and if it did hit 35, it would probably go down lower. Probabilities would say it would go lower. As it broke this resistance level, I have marked from way back. Yeah, from this like area of contention at 125.60, it had an impulsive buy. I got my 20 pips out at 125.70 on my bad position. My 25.45 limit order, I got out 50% here, and I only had 50% running for the rest of the day, and we'll see how that goes.
Nice.
But yeah, no, TP, I should put TP. 20 pips. 22570. Hit. And that's it for the day, man.
Nice, yeah. Hey, I'm just.
Let me get back to your euro.
Oh no, it's okay, man. The euro is basically done trade.
Yeah, we basically got that so quick. We were talking about picnics and barbecue for like an hour, and we literally traded for like what, 10 minutes maybe?
10 minutes. Just gotta wait, right? Like
basically, man.
Just gotta wait for the opportunities to come, you know. So, and also, Cam, if you want to go Euro USD real quick here, point out one thing that you had mentioned for our audience is like punching in and on breakouts. Ideally, if you can zoom in just a little bit there for me. Yeah. So this is a good like kind of first we have a zone. This is kind of what Simar was talking about, and obviously, if I'm not saying it correctly, correct me here, Simar. So you have a zone there, right? But you see this upper wick. If this, because we thought already, when this closed, I knew I wasn't gonna take it short. But one thing is, I should have kept analyzing, and I saw this green candlestick, but I wanted to close because, you know, I just rather have it, for me anyways, close and have a confirmed candle. But to punch into, ideally would have been a buy stop above the previous wick of that candlestick, because that's probably the top of the range. Yeah. If you kind of judge it by this area here, this was the highest point at the time. So if you put a buy stop there, even if you didn't feel safe to put it there, if you look to your left here, this is another top kind of wick here, which coincides with around, I think, 1298 is what. If you put a buy stop at 1298, yeah, you've got an extra couple more pips for sure. I think that would have been what, an extra 10 pips or so. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there.
No, it's basically it. Right? Breaks the range, goes up. That's a nice trade with volume too. I mean, look, it's going up fat. It hit 28 almost.
Almost. I'm just chilling. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
There it goes. If it hits 28. Yeah. There. I closed another half of the runner, and I'm just gonna like this now. I'm just gonna lock in. How many pips? Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as break even. I'm just not gonna look at the charts anymore.
Nice.
And then actually your TP would be, I think.
Sorry, let me zoom out and see where the TP would be.
You know what? I'm gonna be adventurous here, guys. I'm gonna put the TP here at 40. So
yeah, that's exactly.
So it's like the previous wick right here. I'm gonna be adventurous. Oops, sorry.
There you go. I'll leave it here.
There you go. Okay, the previous wick there. I'm just be like, yo, I took my profits. I'm out. You know, although it's half position, this trade's break even. But let's just see. Let's just see if this is gonna go to 1340 areas. And
I'd put it at 38. Let's say like it gets up here, but what if it like doesn't make a higher wick? Like you see 1, 2, 3 taps.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it'll hit 40. You're right.
40, yeah. So just a little bit below, and just, I mean,
yeah.
This is honestly like an easy, stress-free trade. You know, like Simar was saying, we're talking about barbecues and just chilling out. And yeah, and markets moved our way, and all is good in the land of Forex.
It is it was a pretty good trade day, to be honest.
Yeah. And oh yeah, that reminds me. I should close the other limit order just in case it reverses after I build.
That'd be bad.
It's just like what the hell. But what is it? US dollars week. I mean, I will be looking like. I'm gonna probably call it a day at 9 and then look back around 12, maybe 1 o'clock. I'm just trying to like. Now I'm gonna try to like kind of like. When you're not going to be looking for trades, just to like basically close the charts, honestly. Yeah. Just a step away, and then maybe come back. Okay, well, for stock market, maybe come back at 12:30, start doing some analysis, and even on Forex too, because there is the one final hour push. Your USD, because the US closes at that point. But yeah.
But other than that was like a nice move. That's all you really need in a day, right? Like this pound move or this euro move.
Oh, that's nice. Do you still have a runner on that, or?
I got out 50%. I might just get rid of it all and go take a nap, enjoy my day. Like you said, close the charts and chill.
Yeah.
Because we literally were on here. We analyzed. We had our plans, and we talked about barbecues. And then as it started to move, we entered.
Did we even get any response?
No one responded yet.
Oh yeah, is it too early?
Yeah, probably too early. But yeah, I think I'm gonna close the charts. I think that trade was good. I don't want to end up over trading and giving up bad profits. That was a good trade overall.
Yeah, so you had 2 nice trades, one on euro.
Yeah.
And then one also on
pound
USD.
Yeah, gold was the real trade, but like you missed the trade on gold. Let's be honest. Yeah. I missed the trade on gold.
Yeah, gold.
With gold, as easily as it makes this 30-minute 80 pip move, it has a sell for 5-minute 30 or 50 pips sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. It's a lot, man.
Oh, buddy, gold's crazy, man.
I don't even know when the top is, but like.
Neither do I.
Yeah.
Neither do I, my friend. We just wait.
1796 was my last level. 1800s probably. Yeah, I'm gonna have an 1800 level. It kind of just stalled it there.
Yeah. But yeah, if kind of since we're on the topic of gold and we mentioned earlier, like if you look at the monthly and the weekly, like, and with kind of like the policies of the Federal Reserve and all the big what is it? It's not Fed, but what is it? IMF? It is IMF.
International Monetary Fund.
They do the policies and like the buybacks, right?
Yeah, I think
like
they do.
The Euro's equivalent of quantitative, Euro's Fed essentially.
Yeah, Euro's Fed.
Yeah, right. So they do. So like everyone's just printing freaking money. Even Canada's central bank is printing money and buying back and like have served payments. Like U.S. is giving everyone, I think, is it $600, $700?
Yeah, like something like that. But yeah. Basically, yeah, man. Continue.
Yeah, everyone's like, so they're just really devaluing the money in a sense, right? And then that's why I honestly I don't see them stopping. That's why the markets keep going. Yeah,
the markets keep going, but like also even central banks, when they print more money, they need a source for it to go. Dude. And I guess they're buying gold up because gold's like a safe haven, and I guess it's appreciating with other currencies devaluing. It's kind of what happened like way back in the 40s too, right? Everyone flocked to gold. It was the gold standard. So it seems like when central banks print more money, they would need to appreciate it somehow, as well as giving it out. While they devalue their own country's currency, they would put it in safe havens as gold reserves, and that's what pushes the price up. Because even here too, remember back in March, I had that huge sell-off to like 1400 this week. They had that sell-off to get equity for the markets, but then they bought it all back up in order to create more equity and liquidity as well. So,
and if you also look at like a lot of hedge funds buy gold as a point of hedge, and like, I mean, I feel bad for them because they probably got messed up from this market, because no one was, I mean, I'll be the first one to say that I was never expecting a V-shaped recovery.
No, hell no, I don't think anything.
But it happened. Not only on NASDAQ, but also on S&P 500, which I think is the best kind of measurement of, well, mostly North American companies, I would say.
But we weren't expecting that type of recovery. That's just
crazy. You would not expect that type of V shape. I mean, QQQ obviously is making, I should say NASDAQ is making all-time highs, but it just shows probably the importance of technology in a time like this.
Yeah, it does.
But in a sense too, you have S&P that has, like, let me just say, older industries, older sectors, as a part of it, like Canopy, for example, right?
Yeah.
No, is it Canopy? No, it's Caterpillar. I'm pretty sure. The construction manufacturer, or machine construction manufacturer, and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I mean, news doesn't look good, especially on the retail side. Like, do you hear Brook Brothers filed for bankruptcy? And they've been in business for 2 years.
Dude, there's a lot of companies that have been in business for a long time filing for bankruptcy right now.
Yeah, it's insane. Honestly.
Yeah. But even with all that information, we still have new highs in the market.
Euro USD, come on, 10 more pips.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream, take a nap. I don't want to look at charts, otherwise I'm gonna be like tempted to find the short on gold.
Yeah, don't look at it.
Or like chase this pound trade. I'm out. I'm fully out of pound now. So.
Nice. You must have netted fat. Did you go full position on that too?
Yeah, I went full. It was only 10 pip risk, man. 12 pip. Well, I had my limit at 50% at 50, and then 50% at 47, and my stop was 38, 35. Yeah. I gave it room because I mean it was only a 15 pip stop on a. Actually, in reality, it was only like 12.5 pip stop on a full position.
Nice.
So that's why I went full. My stop was like here, but my entry was like. So my trade basically looked like.
Nice.
Full position. Got out to the 20 pips here.
Nice.
I got out 50% here and then here. So 3 levels.
So today's a fat day.
Pretty good day. I mean, covers. Thursday was the rough day with the gold trade, but other than that, everything was pretty good.
Yeah. Oh.
It's getting more consistent though with these streams. I feel like I'm not forcing trades, but like I've been telling everyone I have these streams because I just want to build up the track record.
Yeah.
But you want a good track record. You don't want to be taking bad trades like gold last week. It was a good trade for me, but I just got greedy.
Yeah, live streams are good. It keeps us. It's like the public is keeping an eye on us.
Yeah, it is. It is. You have that all these videos up on stream. But yeah, yo, I'm gonna end it. We got Euro USD potentially hitting 40 levels. The Kyle Chan Gekko trade of the day. My trade was pound USD. This little rip up. Gold's doing what gold does. Insane moves.
Love gold.
I like it too. And I was looking at it after yesterday's candle. It should have like just entered buys at this support period, you know?
Yeah.
Even like 50% position, have a stop like somewhere down here. But we've seen gold break up. have a bullish day, create like a support during Asian session, and then start ripping up again too. So
Yeah.
but yeah, lots of trades, lots of ideas. It was a good day, man. Yeah, gonna end the stream. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We got 3 viewers at one point. It was nice.
Oh wow, really? Eh?
Well,
thank you for the support, everyone. I'm not even on the channel.
Yeah, no, I'm not either. And it was there's a YouTube studio, so we had 3 viewers at one point.
That's crazy.
I know, I like that. But everybody have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday.